Hey folks, welcome back to BitesWellness. Today we're making Chocolate Terrine Marquise au Chocolat like in French restaurants or patisseries. The dessert is like eating a truffle in the form of a brick, and is considered an elegant, rich chocolate dessert. And trust me, this is a game changer. Let's break down the steps. Here's a pro tip. To ensure it is smooth and silky, use high-quality chocolate and avoid overheating it. When melting chocolate, use a double boiler or microwave-safe bowl in short intervals to prevent burning. Let's get cooking. First, pour 500 ml of milk into a saucepan. Now add in the 5 grams of agar-agar powder. Make sure to stir it well so the agar-agar dissolves properly. Add 100 grams of sugar. Add 30 grams of cocoa powder. Stir it in thoroughly to avoid any lumps. Now it's time to add the 120 grams of dark chocolate. Break it into smaller pieces so it melts more easily and add it. If this video helpful, please subscribe, hit that like button, give a thumbs up, and share my BitesWellness channel. Your support means the world to me. Now let's continue. Place the saucepan over low heat. Continue stirring until the chocolate is completely melted and the mixture is smooth and glossy. Once it starts to boil, turn off the heat. Carefully pour the chocolate mixture into your mold. I'm using a mold that is 15.5 so like 7.5 like 6.5 smooth in size. You can use any similar container that you have, but keep the size in mind so the dessert sets properly. Let it cool before covering it with cling film or cling wrap. Let it cool down at room temperature before transferring, then set it in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours to allow it to fully set. Once it's firm, gently unmold the dessert using offset or silicone spatula, slice it up and serve it. And there you have it, a Chocolate Terrine Marquise au Chocolat that's as good as in French restaurants or patisseries. It's so rich and chocolatey, an elegant shiny truffle brick. I hope you love making these as much as I did. Remember, cooking is all about experimenting and finding what works for you. Here's one pro tip. For a no-bake version, mix melted chocolate with cream until smooth for baked versions. Bake in a water bath to maintain moisture and prevent drying out, and chilling the terrine properly is crucial for setting and achieving the right texture. I am sure you've enjoyed this recipe. Please subscribe, like, and share Bites Wellness. See you in my next video.